Hi guys, so this video will show you exactly how to add a contact form to your WordPress blog or your website, whichever one you're using. So usually you're supposed to be logged into your WordPress back end, and to do that you logged in already. So first thing you need to do is to install a plugin. So that's the next first thing. You come here, plugin, you click on add new. Yep, click on add new. So you come here and you type contact form 7. Yep, search. Sorry. Contact form 7 we're looking for. Yep. So see the first one when you search for contact form 7, that's the first one here. So you say install. It's installing now. After installing, we're going to click on activate. You see right here. So you click on activate. Now when you're done activating this form, you see you have a contact here now showing. You have contact forms, you have add new, you have integration, but we're going to be working with contact forms. So you come here and you click on contact forms. So this was automatically generated when you installed the plugin. So you come here right away and you edit this form. Yep. So here you don't need to do anything here, especially if you're not used to tags. So you can just leave it like this. But for the email, you need to put an email that your visitors would want to that you would like them to contact you with. So like I just put in mine. So you put yours. So you come here and you say save. You have also messages. Pretty much your sender gets a message once he clicks the send button on the contact form that we're building now, that we're configuring right now. So this one, the default one says, thank you for your message, it has been sent. You can leave it like that, or you want to change it. I'm okay with this, so I leave mine like this. So the next thing you need to do now is you copy this short code. Yep, this short code here, you copy it, and you come back to the left side and you click on pages. You have new page. We're going to create a new page where we're going to paste this code that I just copied now. So you come here and you click on it. So it's taking us to the new page. Yeah, this new page, we can just call it, we can just name it contact, nothing big. So you come here and you paste that code. That's just it. Just paste the code and you're good to go. The next thing you need to do is to hit the publish button. So we come here, I'm gonna say publish. And that's it, guys. Your contact form will be up and running right now on your website. So here's an example with my own website. So this is my contact form. You need anything, you want to join language, you're thinking, how is it? What do I need to do? Or you're in an African country, maybe you're not in Nigeria, anywhere you are, you can. It's a very rewarding business, so you don't need to bother yourself and say, how can I reach Lois? Now you've seen how you can easily reach me. You just fill in your name, fill in your email, fill in the subject, the message, whatever it is you want to inquire. I'm gonna answer you. At least in 24 hours you will get a response from me. Even less than that, you will get a response. Maybe you want to start language in your own country. Yeah, there's no language. I'm telling you, you're gonna make very cool money, like cool money. All you're doing is you're changing your daily consumables, you're changing your brand to language, and you get rewarded for doing that. So that's it. Or probably you have a blog, you want to add a contact form, you don't know how it's done. I'm showing you how it's done. It's easy, just like that. And that's it. So bye.